Morning student, class 12. Students, I hope you are enjoying the online classes, and in last class, which is the first class of this session, in which we were starting unit first, that is reproduction, and first chapter of this unit reproduction is reproduction in organism. In last class we were discussing about the introduction of this topic, reproduction, and reproduction students mainly of two types, that is asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction, which were also discussed in last class in very brief mode, and some comparative study are also discussed in last class about asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Students, in this class we will discussing about asexual reproduction and what type of methods which involve to facilitate the asexual reproduction. In last class we were discussed asexual reproduction, and now what type of asexual reproduction? Asexual reproduction is that type of reproduction in which single parent is involved and their body part is detached from the parent body and grow as a new organism. This type of reproduction is generally occurs in lower organism during favorable situation, whenever sufficient nutrient supply and oxygen supply is available in their environment, then organism facilitate by asexual reproduction. In this type of reproduction, rapid multiplication of the organism takes place, and in this type of reproduction, just duplicate copy of the parent is produced as a offspring or as a progeny. तो स्टूडेंट एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन ऐसा रिप्रोडक्शन है जिसमें सिंगल पेरेंट इन्वॉल्व होता है और उसकी बॉडी का ही कोई पार्ट उसकी बॉडी से डिटैच्ड होकर के एक पर्टिकुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म में ग्रो कर जाता है। एंड स्टूडेंट्स, इस एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन जनरली लोअर ऑर्गेनिजम्स में प्रेजेंट होते हैं, और लोअर प्लांट्स, लोअर एनिमल्स में ये प्रेजेंट है। लोअर प्लांट्स इन द सेंस एल्गी, फंजाई, एंड लोअर एनिमल्स इन द सेंस इनवर्टिब्रेट्स एंड प्रोटोजोअन्स में एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन प्रेजेंट है। एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन में ऑर्गेनिज्म की बॉडी में मल्टीप्लिकेशन बहुत रैपिड फॉर्म में होता है, बहुत ही तेज, बहुत ही फास्ट होता है स्टूडेंट्स, और उनमें जब न्यूट्रिएंट सप्लाई सफिशिएंट होती है, उनके एनवायरनमेंट में ऑक्सीजन प्रॉपर अवेलेबल होता है, तो ऐसी सिचुएशन में वो एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन मोड को फॉलो करते हैं और बहुत ही तेज़ी से अपनी जनरेशन को वो मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं। एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन का एक सिग्निफिकेंस ये भी है स्टूडेंट्स कि इसमें पेरेंटल फॉर्म बॉडी का है उसकी एग्जैक्ट कॉपी प्रिपेयर होती है, दैट मीन्स क्लोन ऑफ द ऑर्गेनिज्म इसमें प्रोड्यूस होते हैं, एग्जैक्ट कॉपी ऑफ द पेरेंट बॉडी प्रोड्यूस ड्यूरिंग एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन। दैट मीन्स all the genetic constitution which is present in the parent body is actually also available in their offspring or in their progeny of the next generation. So students, जो न्यू ऑर्गेनिज्म इसमें प्रोड्यूस होता है उसमें जितने भी जेनेटिक कंस्टिट्यूशन होते हैं वो उसके पेरेंट की एग्जैक्ट कॉपी। नो एनी वेरिएशन टेक्स प्लेस इन दिस टाइप ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन। All these matter were discussing in last class in detail. Now students, various methods are involved in this asexual reproduction. What are the methods which are involved in this asexual reproduction? If you know, if you study in class 10th this topic, numerous methods are also available in this class. These methods may be fission, number one fission, which may be of two types, binary fission and multiple fission. Binary fission and multiple fission. Number two, fragmentation. Number three, budding. Budding, students, actually external budding and internal budding. External budding and internal budding. It categorized into two groups, that is external and internal budding. Students, binary fission एग्जाम्पल की अगर बात करें तो अमीबा विच इज अ प्रोटोजोआ, ये आपने स्टडी किया हुआ है 10th लेवल में स्टूडेंट्स। मल्टीपल फिजन की बात करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स तो प्लाज्मोडियम, प्लाज्मोडियम इज एक्चुअली प्रोटोजोअन पैरासाइट विच इज blood parasite and responsible for causing the disease malaria in a human being. Human being is the primary host of this parasite. Fragmentation में एग्जाम्पल अगर आप देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, फ्रेगमेंटेशन स्पायरोगायरा में आपने इसको स्टडी किया है। Spirogyra is a type of algae or a species of algae. Budding, external budding हाइड्रा में और इंटरनल budding स्पॉन्जिला में प्रेजेंट है। Do you know Hydra? Hydra is a coelenterates and Spongilla is a type of fungus. So this is the budding. Now the fourth number is regeneration. Regeneration generally present in, that means two best example of this regeneration is Hydra and Planaria. Hydra hydra is a coelenterate, whereas planaria is a flatworm which is free living, is a type of flatworm ribbon shape of this leaf-like body of this organism. It is a free living flatworm, and their phylum is actually Platyhelminthes. It is a member of Platyhelminthes. It is the member of coelenterate. Now the next one is fifth number, that is spore formation. Spore formation. The example of this mode of asexual reproduction is actually fungus, Rhizopus is a type of fungus, and Penicillium. These two type of fungus is actually perform spore formation. With the help of this mode of asexual reproduction, they multiply their body. These are generally 5 methods which include in asexual reproduction, and the last method of this is actually vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction is also categorized into two groups, that is natural method and artificial method. Two groups में ये categorize है students, natural method and artificial method. Natural and artificial method. Natural method में students एग्जाम्पल्स कुछ इसके हैं, जैसे स्वीट पोटैटो, पोटैटो ट्यूबर एंड ब्रायोफिलम. ब्रायोफिलम, स्वीट पोटैटो, sweet potato and potato tuber. These are some examples of natural vegetative propagation or vegetative reproduction. And artificial vegetative reproduction is actually man-made vegetative reproduction, in which man is involved artificially for the producing number of organism. This artificial vegetative propagation or artificial reproduction is generally occurs by man-made by the following method, out of which cutting is the method of artificial vegetative reproduction, and grafting, layering and tissue culture. Grafting, layering, and tissue culture. So these four type of methods are generally included in artificial vegetative reproduction, out of which cutting, grafting, layering and tissue culture is involved. Students, fission is a method in which organism body is split into two or more equal halves. When organism body is split into two equal halves, then that type of fission is actually called binary fission, which is performed by protozoa including amoeba. Multiple fission, when parent body is split into number of halves, which is performed by Plasmodium. Plasmodium is a blood parasite, protozoan parasite, which is responsible for causing disease malaria in the human beings. Fragmentation is the mode of asexual reproduction in which parent body divide number of fragments during after maturation, and that type of reproduction is performed by Spirogyra. Budding is a type of asexual reproduction in which a small bud arises in the body of parent, and these bud detached from the parent body and grow as a new organism, which may be of two types, external budding and internal budding. External budding is actually performed by Hydra, and internal budding performed by Spongilla. Hydra is a type of coelenterate, member of coelenterate, and Spongilla is a type of fungus. Now regeneration is the another mode of asexual reproduction in which body cut down into number of pieces, and all pieces of cutted part of the parent body is actually acting as a single organism, and after growth and development these cutting part are actually acting as a single organism, and the example is Hydra and Planaria. Hydra is also have a great power of regeneration, and this is the coelenterate. Planaria is the flatworm, Platyhelminthes, member of Platyhelminthes. Students, spore formation is also a specific mode of asexual reproduction in which parent body have developed numerous spores in their sac-like structure, which is called sporangium, and these sporangium burst down during favorable situation. Or best example of this mode of asexual reproduction is Rhizopus and Penicillium. Penicillium is also a type of fungus, and Rhizopus is also a type of fungus. These fungus perform spore formation. Number of spores. What are spores, students? Spores क्या होते हैं? Spores are small reproducing bodies which present in the sporangium of these organisms. And last one is the vegetative reproduction, which may be of two types: natural vegetative reproduction and artificial. Natural vegetative reproduction taking place naturally in the living organism, for example bryophyllum, potato tuber and sweet potato. Whereas artificial vegetative reproduction is the man-made method in which man is involved, and these following four methods are present in artificial vegetative propagation, that is cutting, grafting, layering and tissue culture. Tissue culture is also called micropropagation. So these methods we'll discuss in later classes one by one in detail. So students, we meet again in next class with asexual reproduction and we'll discuss about fission. Okay students, thank you.